Hey guys, so I just received this awesome new stainless steel watch from Prestar. Let's take a closer look at it. So this is the fashion watch by Prestar. The box was damaged in shipping, but hey, I'll still unbox it for you. So yeah, let's take a look inside the box. Here we have some instructions and warranty card and a screwdriver. And here's the watch itself. Very sleek and stylish. And yeah, let's go see how this thing works. Prestar offers a variety of different styles and watches. The one I have today here is the Prestar NYC Aquaman Classic Gemstone watch. And this is the Peekaboo Bear Edition. A timepiece that adds a playful touch to your wrist. This watch features a dial design inspired by a lovable teddy bear playing peekaboo, symbolizing the joy of discovery and surprise. It features a 40mm steel case with a nice polish and satin finish, and an aluminum unidirectional rotational bezel for an elegant look. Its movement uses SEIKO Japan NH35A self-winding mechanisms with ball bearings, so it beats for 21,600 Hz per hour and with 24 joules. It also sports a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal with a GIA certified gemstone, and a stainless steel Jubilee bracelet with a fold-over clasp. It is also waterproof with a 10 ATM rating, so you don't have to worry about splashes or shallow waters. And all this is done with 0% carbon emissions. So yeah, I definitely recommend this great looking watch from Prestar. Check them out today.